Good afternoon. Welcome to the hair salon.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I would like a haircut, please.
Of course. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time here.
That is nice. I hope you will like our salon.
I think I will. The place looks very clean and comfortable.
Thank you. We try to keep the salon clean for everyone.
I appreciate that. Clean places make me feel relaxed.
I understand. So, what kind of haircut would you like today?
I am not completely sure. Maybe just a trim.
A trim is a good choice. Do you want to keep the same style?
Yes, I think so. I just want it a little shorter.
All right. How much would you like me to cut?
Maybe about this much. Just a little.
Okay, I see. Just a small trim.
Yes, please. I like my hair long.
No problem at all. I will be careful.
Thank you. That makes me feel better.
Would you like me to wash your hair first?
Yes, that would be nice.
Great. Please come with me to the washing area.
Okay.
Please sit back and relax.
This chair is very comfortable.
Good. Is the water temperature okay?
Yes, it feels perfect. Not too hot and not too cold.
Wonderful. Just relax for a moment.
This feels very relaxing.
Many people enjoy the hair wash the most.
I understand why. It feels like a small spa.
Yes, many people say that.
Do you work here every day?
I work here 5 days a week.
That sounds busy.
It can be busy, especially on weekends.
I believe that. Many people want haircuts on weekends.
Exactly. Saturdays are usually very full.
Today seems calm.
Yes, today is a quiet day.
That is nice.
All right, the washing is finished.
That was very nice. Thank you.
You are welcome. Please come back to the chair.
Okay.
I will gently dry your hair with the towel.
All right.
Your hair is very soft.
Thank you. I tried to take care of it.
That is good. Healthy hair is easier to cut and style.
That makes sense.
Now I will start cutting your hair.
Okay.
Please sit straight and relax.
I will try.
No problem. I will start with the back.
All right.
I'm cutting just a little from the ends.
Okay.
Do you usually tie your hair or leave it down?
I usually leave it down, but sometimes I tie it.
That is nice. Long hair looks beautiful both ways.
Thank you.
I will now trim the sides.
Okay.
Do you like layers in your hair?
Maybe just a little, not too much.
All right, I will add soft layers.
That sounds good.
This will help your hair look more natural.
Great.
Do you use any hair oil or hair mask?
Sometimes I use coconut oil.
That is very good for hair.
Yes, my mother recommended it.
Mothers usually know the best tips.
That is true.
I am almost finished with the main cut.
That was quick.
Yes, but I still need to shape the front.
Okay.
Would you like bangs or keep the front long?
I think I will keep it long.
All right, I will only trim the front slightly.
Thank you.
Please look down for a moment.
Okay.
Perfect, thank you.
No problem.
Now I will check the balance of the hair.
Okay.
Everything looks good so far.
I am excited to see the result.
Just a few more minutes.
All right.
Now I will use the hair dryer.
Okay.
Please close your eyes for a moment.
Sure.
The air may feel warm.
That is fine.
Your hair is drying nicely.
I like the warm air.
Good.
Do you enjoy being a hairstylist?
Yes, I enjoy it very much.
That is wonderful.
I like helping people feel confident.
That is a great reason to love your job.
Thank you.
Do many people come here every day?
Yes, many customers visit the salon.
That is good for business.
Yes, we are very thankful.
That is nice.
All right, your hair is dry now.
Great.
I will brush your hair gently.
Okay.
Now please look in the mirror.
Oh, it looks very nice.
I'm glad you like it.
The length is perfect.
Wonderful.
The layers look very natural too.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for doing such a good job.
You are very welcome.
How much do I need to pay?
The haircut is $15.
That is a fair price.
Thank you.
Here is the money.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome.
Would you like to schedule another visit in the future?
Yes, maybe after 2 months.
That sounds good.
I will come back again.
We will be happy to see you again.
Thank you for your kindness today.
Thank you for visiting the salon.
I had a very relaxing time.
That makes me very happy.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you next time.